Rimblades again because the police zombie
basically
robbed it off.
first we were driving, we got into France. We were so fast. Then we were in Belgium. We were so fast too. Then we were in Netherlands. We were even faster. Oh no man, I put too much glue. But then the zombie popo stopped us and wasted our time in...
And then we called them the popos of Pussy.
That's right. And we quickly drove away because they only had a 1.4 Golf. And our beast absolutely blasted them. But in process, we lost a couple of Rimblades. But then we were in Poland and some more zombies, not popo, but just normal zombies. I think they just ripped them off. They like bit into them with their big teeth and ripped them off. So now we're sticking off new ones because we can't drive around Latvia, Daugavpils, looking like...
And let's show them what the zombies did. They scratched this bit of the car.
Yeah. Also, the indicator, they knocked off.
Oh yeah, they knocked off that bit. And they were like
Also,
scratching
guys,
all over our car.
also a very important, not even tip, but advice. You must always make sure all your tires are correct pressure, because show them the tire rubbed off a little bit.
Yeah.
The front one, show them a little bit rubbed off.
Over here, it's a little bit rubbed off, but not that much.
Yeah, and also we're driving and scraping because we're too low and wide, and all this, look at that, was burning. It was burning like...
But then all the zombies are caught on fire around us.
Yeah, exactly. And we finally got here, and check this out. This is like the secret location when we're in.
Well, this is the secret location.
Exactly.
It's in the middle of the woods.
We only have Yeti come here. Yeti the Bigfoot. But
Yeah.
no zombies.
Bigfoot is so big.
He is our mate, isn't he?
Yeah, he was protecting at the front door because zombies of popos were coming, like scratching our door, but then the Yeti just smashed them with his big foot.
Exactly. Yeah, so now you need super glue to, if you...
Well,
Yeah, show them, you need super glue, guys, to put on Rimblades, because they will fly off probably.
well, the Yeti and Bigfoot were helping us, so we have two gigantic ones.
You get bitten well bad by these flies.
I know.
Tell them about the... Well, here there are no zombies, but there are, I think, zombie flies and zombie mosquitoes. They keep...
No, I think there's demon mosquitoes and flies.
Yeah, hold this for a second.
Be careful with this. It's gonna stick your fingers together.
So, let me tell you something, guys. We're here in Latvia, not just to hide from zombies, but also to get some spare parts. In Latvia, there is a lot more of these cars, BMW 7 Series E65, and parts are a lot cheaper. So we're gonna soon show you a breaker's yard, and we're gonna compare the prices. And we're not gonna let him cheat us. If he says too much, we'll say no. We know how much that car is worth. We're not trying to buy a whole car. We just want a couple of parts. So tune in soon, and we'll show you the local breakers yards.
And we're gonna
we're
gonna go swimming.
Yeah.
Because we can. But hopefully there's not gonna be fish zombies with masks on.
Hold this for a second. Yeah. So tune in and check us out later.
Bye.
Some of these fuckers are stubborn, and it's quite hard to rub them off without any rubbing compound or polish. So you just gotta fucking rub them, motherfuckers, like there is no tomorrow. these. Might buy some polish. And now actually they are coming off. Okay, we're gonna use some of this Eastern European shit. See how it works. Getting rid of all these fucking lashes, which I've been rubbing and rubbing and rubbing. Maybe it will help. Oh yeah, baby. I think the shit is coming off. Oh yeah. So this Eastern European shit gets rid of all these marks. Man, this is good shit actually. Some of these stains. Very nice. Hey Danny, давай help daddy.
That's wrong.
I know, because we're gangster rappers. Here, Can you- sit on here and just rub off any of these lashes you see.
I filled the Shadik with balloon. I threw it down the hill and it popped. Why do Shadik keep pop so easily?
Well, because man, this is really good stuff, this Eastern European cleaner. They pop so easily because they're made of very thin rubber, my friend. Oh man, this is not. Is all this Rimblades still? Oh my god. Wait, I can't see any. I think we'll rub them all off, dudes. Except this. I think this is a scratch.
You rub it water.
All the marks of the Rimblades, there were like loads here. And like here. Let's see if this magic stuff works on this as well. Nah, it's fine.
I think rubber will help.
Now all this needs to be resprayed now. But anyway, we're gonna go and put on this stripe. Can you bring me the scissors, please? And the drink, Benny. Over there. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, in a minute, of course. I just want to finish this off before the super glue goes missing. Uh-huh. We're gonna add this sexy stripe on so everyone thinks we're super cool dudes. Well, everyone knows anyway, but just in case. gonna glue it. As well. Don't stretch it or anything, just let it stick on. Oh! Oh my God! Danny boy wants to shoot us.
I'm a zombie.
Are you really? Are you really?